Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix Roblox keep stopping error in Android mobile. So guys, before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So our first step is to uninstall the third-party application. So if you are using any supporting application for Roblox, please uninstall the application and check whether the issue is solved or not. If not, follow the second step is to update the Roblox using your Play Store. Enter into the Play Store and search for Roblox. If it shows any update, please update the Roblox. So if in case you don't have any update, please skip the step. It's not a big issue. So please update if it shows. So once it's done, please close it. So our third step is to enter into your security for internal storage free up and clear the system temp cache files. So using your security option or cleaner, you can clean the temp and junk files and local files, and also make sure you have better storage in your mobile. Please delete some videos or photos, unwanted videos or photos in your mobile to free up your system storage. So our fourth step is to clear the cache file. So for that, please long press and enter into the app info and clear the cache. So meanwhile, if none other step works, please again clear the data and delete all data, but before that please don't do the second one. So only clear the cache. So our fifth step is to check the Roblox server. For that, you need to enter into your browser and type down detector, or you can type roblox.status.com to enter the Roblox first link. And here it shows all system or operation, so it's good to go. If in case it shows yellow or red color, there has been some error, so you need to wait for some times to solve from the Roblox side. So yeah, here the video shows. So that's it guys. Once it's done, please restart your system, and I hope that you enjoy the video and they will be solved. So thank you for watching. For more, subscribe to YouTube.